Pineapple juice na powdered pero high quality para kay crush. Healthy, tasty, at full of benefits.
Super habits, super quality. Hindi lang basta juice. This one's packed with benefits.
Sarap! High fiber, nutritious, at perfect for digestion. This is the juice that will impress him for sure.
Uy, Michael, mag-pineapple juice ka muna.
Wait, this is powdered? Ang sarap pa! Parang fresh pineapple talaga. And it feels so light and refreshing talaga. Oo. Super Habits powdered juice yan. High quality, full of fiber, and perfect for digestion. Hindi lang masarap, healthy pa! Ano ba?
Scarlett, may sasabihin ako.
Yung pineapple juice mo, di ko pa rin kasi nakakalimutan. Seryoso, dapat palagi ako may ganito.
Super habits talaga, hindi lang para sa health, pati sa heart.